All right, we're going to go over today's morning work, our daily skill review. All right. So we are capitalizing, looking for capitalization errors and fixing them. So Becky comes from Hispanic and Native American heritage. You're going to capitalize Hispanic and Native American. Your capital H, capital N, and capital A. Henry enjoyed reading the book, The Chocolate Touch. You are going to capitalize all of those words, the, since it starts, the title of the book, chocolate, and touch. Jackson memorized the first 10 commandments in the Bill of Rights. So it would be Bill of, lowercase, rights. Read the sentence below, underline the prepositional phrase. It would be over the fence, along the base, and along the base of the mountain. Morgan landed on the puddle. Read the sentence below and rewrite it correctly. And it would be there, not they are. There are 2 copies. That is correct. Copies. Remember our spelling patterns for the week. You're going to replace the Y and add IES. Copies of 4th, capital. Grade, capital. Rats, capital. And you underline because it's the title of a book. Left in the library. And you end with a period. Alrighty. Read the sentence below. Determine which word from the bank belongs in the blank. Make sure to check the spelling. There are many blank in the state of Texas, and it would be cities. And you're going to correct the spelling because it's plural. Please clean all the blank before we eat. Knives. Don't want to eat with dirty knives. I would like 3 cherries, IES, on my Sunday. All of the military wives, WIVES, gathered for the troops to return. The bird flies all around looking for food. Look at math. The table below shows the number of tickets sold for a roller coaster ride. What is the difference in the number of tickets sold on Wednesday and Friday? So Wednesday is 2,545. Friday is 9,021. Remember, the bigger number will always go on top, and it's difference. So you know that you are subtracting. Bottom number is bigger, so I borrow. That becomes a 1. Bring it back over. 11 minus 5 is 6. Can't borrow from the 0, so I come over. I borrow from the 8. From the 9, it becomes an 8. I bring it back over. It's a 10, but I have to borrow, so it becomes a 9, and now this is 11. Excuse me. 11 minus 4 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. What is the total sold on Monday, Thursday, and Sunday? So it's total. So I'm going to add. I have 5,637, 2,003, and 4,753. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Add my 3, carry my 1. That's 4, and plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. Bring down my 3, carry my 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So they sold 12,393 tickets. Order the number of tickets sold from least to greatest. I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to look, and I know that my 2's are my least, so I'm going to go, those 2's are the same. Then I look, 0 is less than 5, so this is number 1. This is number 2, and I don't care if that's how you do it on your paper. Then I look, and I have 5, 9, 4, so I know 4 is next, and then I have 5, and then I have the 9. All right, that was easy. All right. 6 plus 8 minus 2. Remember, parentheses first. So I'm going to have 6 plus, and 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Circle the numbers below that round to 10,000. So I'm going to look at each one. Here is my 9. 9 is its boss. It would tell it to go up. So yes, that would round to 10,000. Here is 10,000. Here is my 10,000ths place. 0 is its boss. So it would tell it to stay the same. So yes, that would round. I have 9 and 0 is its boss. It would tell it to stay the same. So it does not round to 10,000. Scott spends 45 minutes each day practicing his multiplication tables and 20 minutes each day jogging. How many minutes does Scott spend each week after practicing his multiplication or jogging? So there are 7 days in a week. So I'm going to say 45 times 7. Then I'm going to say 20 times 7. All right, so 2 times 7 is 14 plus that 0. That's 140 minutes jogging. Then 45 times 7. So I'm going to bring this over here. And let's see, 7 times 5 is 35. Carry the 3. 7 times 4 is 28. 29, 30, 31. So he spends 315 minutes practicing his multiplication and 140 minutes jogging. So I have 5, 5, 4. I'm going to say 455 minutes doing either one or both. Okay. This week the price of crab at the supermarket is $23 per pound, excuse me. How much will 65 pounds of crab cost? So I'm going to say 65 times 23. Remember to circle my numbers. Underline my question. How much? So let's look. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring down my 5. Carry my 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Always remember to put your 0. 2 times 5 is 10. So I bring down my 0. Carry my 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So I have 5, 9, 4, 1. So I'm going to, going to cost me, wow, $1,495 for crab. I think I won't be eating that. All right. Find the value of the expression if x equals 19. So I have 19 minus 19, and that would be 0. 3 plus 4 is 48, 49, 50, 51. 8 plus 43 is 51. So it is equal. Write an expression that says 60 minus 4 times a number. 60 minus 4 times a number. So it would be 4x, that's going to be the number, minus 60. All right, guys, that's it.